Hello, my name is Teacher Brandon, and I've been teaching English online for almost 4 years now, and that led me into realizing that I really love teaching. I wish I'd known that a long time ago, but I really enjoy teaching, so I decided to continue to teach English, but to switch and teach something that I really enjoy, like data science. I thought that would be a little bit more fun. And so now I've been teaching on Preply for over a year now, and I've developed a data analysis program, which I've then, because of its popularity, redeveloped and redeveloped again. It's now 8 classes, and I also have a machine learning class or classes for 15 machine learning classes and 13 deep learning classes. The deep learning classes actually allowed me to work towards the TensorFlow certification. And I now hold the TensorFlow Developer Certificate. Okay. I'm very proud of these classes. They've turned out to be really nice, especially with the constant redeveloping and reimagining of them. However, most of my classes are actually spent helping students on their own projects. So most of my time is spent working on a student's project or helping them with their schoolwork. And this entails the student will share their screen and I will dictate the coding to them and help them bring their Python skills up to where their knowledge level is. Okay. And it turns out that Preply's platform is actually an amazing platform for teaching data science. I don't know if that was the original intention, but it works really, really well. The ability to float your video, go to your Python notebook or your Jupyter notebook or your Google Colab and still be able to see my video while you do that turns out to be really helpful. I talk a lot with my hands and stuff. Oh, the code's up there, the code's down there. It is very helpful to be able to see my hands while I'm talking and just to be able to communicate a little bit more clear about what we need to do next. Okay, so I look forward to seeing you in class. Thank you for taking the time to listen to my little video, and I will see you in class.